My channel is viewer supported, stain resistant, sugar free, and now comes in unscented. Please watch responsibly, wait at least 1 hour before swimming, and if you like what you see, consider supporting the channel on Patreon. Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you today about a few of my favorite ways to distress a t-shirt. These are tips that are going to work really well for shirts that you have that you might not wear anymore, things that are just laying around in a drawer. Also, shirts that are already a bit worn out. The shirt that I'm going to be showing you these tips on, it's this one. This is an old one of mine, and it's already it's frayed around the edges. It has some holes here. It's very soft. It's been well loved, but it's a little wrinkled. It's been kicking around in a drawer for a while. This is a prime example of the kind of shirt that you want to use if you're going to use some of these distressing techniques. So I have a few to show you. Let's get started. Now, first things first, this is probably a no-brainer. Aromatherapy works really good for distressing a shirt. Now, you can use incense if you'd like, which I'm lighting right now. You can also use essential oils, which I have here. Lavender works really well. Now, if you don't, get that going there. If you don't want to put any essential oil directly on the shirt, because it might not necessarily be good for it, a few drops on a dryer sheet, and then throw the dryer sheet in the dryer with the shirt. Let it tumble around for a while. It will infuse that fabric with that soothing smell of lavender, and it will really help to distress your shirt. Another thing that you might want to consider, if you have your shirts on hangers, they carry a lot of tension in the shoulders. A lot of us do. Some yoga works really, really well. Now, I like to use yoga with a shirt by way of folding. So you just gently fold it, just like you would. If you are new to folding, you can get a folding board on Amazon, and that will really, really help to add support to the yoga moves that you're going to be doing so that it's not so hard on the shirt. And then lastly, something that I like to do, takes a little bit more time, is a guided meditation. So if you just take a moment with your shirt, let's go ahead and lay it out here. We have our incense going. It smells very, very relaxing. Lay it out here. Now I want you to begin with a nice deep breath in and out. We'll go to a count of 4 and then 6 on the way out. So if we inhale, 2, 3, 4, and then exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do that a few times. Focus on the breath. Try to clear the mind. When thoughts come into your mind, that's fine. Acknowledge them, let them go. So you may think of something that you're supposed to do during the day. That's completely fine. Just say, okay, you are planning. Just acknowledge it, bow to it, and let it go. This is something that really helps when you're trying to distress a shirt. Once you get the hang of the breathing, visualization techniques work really, really well. Visualize yourself in a meadow or a field, or walking down a path towards a waterfall, and hear the water splashing on the rocks and the birds and the trees, and you can almost feel the sun coming through the leaves, sort of dappling the ground if you really just take a moment to think about it. Relax. Let your shirt just kind of hang out. Don't worry about what it has to be, what it's supposed to be, anything like that. Just let it be, and let it know that it is fine just as it is. It doesn't need anything extra. It's perfectly wonderful just as it is right now. And that's all. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you being here for this. Let me know if you have some favorite methods for distressing a shirt. These are just some of mine. And that's it. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. Take care.